choosing a profession is one of the most important things you can do for yourself. There are so many different people and so many different jobs a person can do. It is important to choose the right profession for yourself. The English language is full of nouns used to describe professions. Let's look at some of the expressions used for professions. First, we will name the profession, give a short description of the job, and describe the place where they work. Accountants. Look after the finances in an organization or company. They work in an office. Bakers. Bake bread and pastry. They work in a bakery. Barbers. Shave men's beards and cut men's hair. They work in a barber's shop. Barmen or barwomen serve drinks to people. They work in a bar, pub, or a restaurant. Butchers prepare and sell meat and meat products. They work in a butcher's. Chefs prepare and cook food in restaurants. They work in a kitchen. Dentists look after people's teeth and gums. They work in a dentist's office. Doctors look after people's health. They work in a hospital or surgery. Fishmongers prepare and sell fish and fish products. They work in a fishmonger's. Flight attendants look after passengers in an airplane. They work in an airplane. Firefighters take care of fires and accidents. They work in a fire department. Hairdressers cut and style people's hair. They work in a hair salon. Housekeepers clean and tidy rooms in hotels. They work in a hotel. Judges judge and sentence people in court. They work in a law court. Lawyers defend and prosecute people in court. They work in a law court and in a lawyer's office. Nurses look after patients in hospitals. They work in a hospital or doctor's surgery. Opticians look after people's eyesight. They work in an optician's. Porters carry other people's bags and luggage. They work in a hotel or train station. Receptionists meet and greet visitors in hotels and companies. They work in a reception. Shop assistants sell goods and look after customers in stores. They work in a shop. Secretaries arrange appointments, type letters, and organize meetings. They work in an office. Surgeons operate on people who are sick. They work in a hospital. Tailors design, make, alter or repair garments and clothes. They work in factories and shops. Teachers teach people about different things. They usually work in a school. Technicians organize and repair technical equipment. They work everywhere. Vets look after people's animals. They work in a veterinary surgery or vets. Waiters or waitresses serve people food and drink. They work in a restaurant.